guys, it is actually my birthday today. I decided to take the day off yesterday because it was the day after Christmas and I just needed a little day off. It's always good. So I'm back today. I gotta tell you, this is actually the most difficult, oh, I just gave myself away. We haven't cleaned up from Christmas yet. This is the most difficult birthday I've ever had. It kind of started last night and it's just been really hard. I know this is like a really difficult year for a lot of people and birthdays are just like not the same. So, and there are so many people who have like lost someone, you know, this year or are celebrating birthdays of people they've lost. So I don't want to, you know, I'm just going to try and rally, pull it together and just enjoy the day. Tomorrow is somebody else's birthday. She was born exactly 20 years and 1 day after me. It's you, best bud. It's your birthday tomorrow. Came to Starbucks for my free birthday drink, and it is apparently everyone else's birthday. Look at this line. I got this really cool birthday gift. I used to listen to this CD with my dad when I was a little girl, and my dad was like really into the arts, and that's where a lot of my love for musicals and just classical music and all kinds of, you know, the arts. That's where that came from, some of that. So we used to listen to this CD and he taught me all about the Gershwin brothers, listening to this, and was an admirer of them. And this is one of the best CDs if you love classical music. This is actually really hard to find. Jim got it a while ago on Amazon. You know how sometimes people will say like music is therapy to them or whatever? This is everything. Like Rhapsody in Blue, I love like Strike Up the Band, but An American in Paris. This music is like not just therapy, but it just like helps you like be more creative and like think clearly. Like it's just like it takes you to another place. Like, you know, the arts can do that for you. Let me tell you about these little beauties. I think I got these from Whole Foods. I ordered them for Jim's birthday when I was like desperate to celebrate it because, you know, it's difficult this year. I found these. I bought birthday cake, anything I could find. They're so good and they are super allergy friendly. So these are basically like cookie dough bites, like birthday cake cookie dough. Nobody's gonna be mad at you if you buy them when it's not your birthday. We're almost to our destination. We are going to Winter Park. We used to like to walk Park Avenue there. When we first started dating, we would go and they have really cute shops and stuff. Fun fact, I actually did a whole vlog about Park Ave at Christmas time and did not share it because it wasn't good. We had to leave because there were just too many people without masks and it was like kind of a weird scene at night. But during the day, the stores are open and it's one of the only places, it's the only place we know that I could go to Williams Sonoma that's like not in a mall. So I should be able to like kind of go in, maybe find something and then go back outside. And they also have a pottery barn outdoors like that. So it's like a, you know, like a nice like street with lots of fancy little stores on it, and those are the only two stores I really want to go to. I don't really want to spend a lot of time inside, but yeah, I love those stores. Fun part about having a birthday after Christmas is like getting post-holiday sales. I used to like really clean up back in the day. That's why like going shopping on my birthday is kind of a tradition, because my mom would be like, we're gonna get some clothes for a good price. So it kind of stuck. And this guy likes to do it. Thanks for keeping that going. Birthday picnic. A solid classic. BurgerFi.
This really reminds me of Farmingdale.
New York?
Yeah.
We're gonna see a train. We wanted to take this year. But it didn't seem like the best year to do it. Tree cam. Tree trolley.
Have a chocolate foam, please.
Where do BurgerFi fries sit on the fry scale?
close to the top. They're real crispy, and they have like some like depth to them because they can be crispy on the outside and like that nice potatoey like squishy inside.
This is actually a really nice place to picnic right now because they have so many restaurants here that you can get takeout from. They have like BurgerFi, like a trusty chain that you know, but then they have a lot of other like small businesses, like, you know, mom and pop restaurants and stuff that are kind of fancy, a lot of different tastes down here. So pandemic pro tip, if you're looking for a place to like get takeout and hang out, they have a lot of park space. Hey, thanks for caring about my birthday.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Jim is like very into nature.
It's a bow truckle from Fantastic Beasts.
Wow. We found the few things we were looking for, but also this is such a cool collection. I think this is like a content creator or like a small business. I'm not sure. Do you guys know this flower shop? But they have a lot of cool sprinkles. Pottery Barn, how I love thee. They have these pretty little walkways with these awesome like vines going up some chains, beautiful fountains. We got a couple things I was looking online at. We found them in store. You want to show them, Jim?
Yeah. Instapot classic chili starter.
It's not really like a birthday gift. I wanted to get it while we were there.
We had one of these before. I think it was this one for sure. The Tuscan lentil soup. That was real good.
So these are like, one was on sale for $6.99, but they're like $13. All of these ones are plant-based and they serve 4 to 6. So what else did you get?
Butternut squash soup starter. I think this one was on sale.
Yeah, that was the discounted one because it's like seasonal.
And split pea soup. This was a favorite at the Doyle household growing up.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I'm excited to try that. Did we get one more?
That was it. This one, well,
The lentil?
the Tuscan lentil,
split
yeah.
pea, butternut squash.
And chili.
That'll be
We're gonna
nice.
add some Beyond beef crumble to that.
A nice hearty meal. Could have it with a little salad if you
Yeah.
want it later. We like to get a like French bread loaf and have it with soup throughout the week.
Where are you at on what are your add-ons for chili? One of my favorite is sour cream. That's my favorite. Little spoonful of sour cream in there.
We'll have to get some.
Yeah.
The birthday gift I got was this cake pan, which we're probably going to use today and bake a vegan cake online. And then I found these sprinkles that were like so nice. They had like a big one, but then I was like, this would just be perfect for today. It was that Flower Shop brand. How pretty is this combo? Oh, it does have some of your favorite sprinkles in there. Jim likes the little round ones. This is another thing I got for my birthday. Scarlet. This isn't real or anything. Do you know what this is? It looks like it could be your tail. You like my new Christmas socks? It's a little doggy. I think it's Corgi. This pan has been washed and is ready for its first attempt at a cake. We're gonna make this, I just like looked up a quick thing on Pinterest. So we had all the ingredients for this vegan cake and this vegan vanilla frosting. We'll have fun with it. A very interesting collection of things going here. An Olaf bobblehead and these really amazing, they're like churro chips basically. I love this brand, Siete. They're so good. Okay, so this is gratifying to me, so I wanted to share it. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna put this recipe below for anybody wanting to do a birthday cake at home. This was pretty like basic ingredients, so we already had it home. The Williams Sonoma pan. I'm really curious to see how much this fills the pan up. I did about half the recipe, and it said to use 2 cake pans, so this should be good. I love when you get like a good grip with the spatula and it's super satisfying. I'm working on my skills. Are you comfy? You look so cute in your little hoodie. My dinner of choice today was pizza. You watch enough Home Alone and you out here just want a pizza. So we just do like no cheese and add tons of veggies. So I'm excited for that. And we're going to watch Soul. This is such a crazy year for movies, how it's all worked. I still haven't seen Mulan, even though it's on Disney Plus now for just like a regular subscriber. And just the fact that like a feature Disney Pixar film is on like the digital streaming service. I'm like trying to make this an event because it's so special to see these movies in the theater. So saved it for the birthday. Buzzer for the cake just went off and I had to bring this girl in here because somebody got caught licking my cookie plate the other day. It was on the ground. There wasn't really anything on it. She may have eaten a small sprinkle, but I didn't want to leave her unattended with pizza. Did we do it?
I think so.
Did we bake a cake from scratch?
I think so.
I'm so proud of this.
Sprungy. That's good.
Okay.
I thought it was going to be way more dense than that. So that's nice.
All right, we gotta leave this for 30 minutes to cool. Timer just went off to try and flip the cake out of the pan. So we'll see how that goes. But we are about 30 minutes into Soul. Sorry, I feel like my buzzer's always going off. I'm never gonna like say any spoilers, but it's a little heavier than I thought. Okay, in theory, Jim says this is gonna be just flop right out.
Should.
Wait, the parchment paper.
Can we get a drum roll, please?
Go on. A straight flop. Did he do it? Ah, it's okay. Do you want to try and use the thing? All right, we're trying this. This is our first one. So we'll see. He followed the directions and, what was it, oiled and floured the pan?
Yeah.
He did it. I was so intense. I wasn't recording. But there's just like minimal.
Yeah.
You did it. It smells good. We just made the icing, only 4 ingredients, and it's so good. We are making a 3-layer. We use this as a cutter. I was gonna say a cookie cutter, a cakey cutter. I just put a little icing in there, and now I'm gonna put this on top of this. We're gonna try and make a little like 3-layer cake. Everybody's excited about this. I know I have to be like really delicate with the cake like this on the outside, because it can start to get crummy. We did it together and it was like really fun. So it's a little tricky. It's a little leany. This is the finished leaning business and I could not be prouder. We made it from scratch.
Happy birthday, dear Nicole.
All right, there she is. We did it. I love it. And that was our first one. It came out pretty good.
Yeah.
So did a little Zoom and FaceTime happy birthday song, and yeah. It was a good birthday. Thank you, Jim.
You're very welcome, baby.
You excited for your birthday? It's tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching and celebrating with me, and I'll see you next time. Have a magical day.
Have a magical birthday.
Hey,
Hello.
now.